Look at this piece of corroded metal. At first glance, it looks like trash. Debris from a forgotten time, but hiding inside this lump of rust is a secret so profound it completely shatters the timeline of human history. What you are looking at is a computer, a highly complex mechanical computer capable of tracking the cosmos, predicting eclipses, and mapping the stars. The problem: it was built over 2,000 years ago. This is the Antikythera Mechanism, and the story of how it was found and what it means for humanity is a file mainstream history has kept buried. The year was 1900. A violent storm forced a group of Greek sponge divers to take shelter near the tiny island of Antikythera. When the storm passed, they dove into the waters and found a graveyard, a massive Roman shipwreck, resting at the bottom of the Aegean Sea. They brought up treasures, marble statues, coins, and jewelry. Among the riches was a shoebox-sized lump of corroded bronze. For months, it sat ignored in a museum courtyard. Nobody cared about it until one day it cracked open. Inside, archaeologists saw something impossible: gear wheels, precision-cut, interlocking brass gears. Technology that simply did not exist in the ancient world. It took nearly a century and the invention of modern 3D X-ray technology to finally look inside it. What scientists found left them speechless. The mechanism contained at least 30 precisely cut bronze gears. It was as complex as an 18th century Swiss clock, but built in 100 BC. By turning a hand crank, the ancient user could track the exact position of the sun, the moon, and all 5 planets known to antiquity. It predicted lunar and solar eclipses down to the exact hour, decades in advance. It even tracked the 4-year cycle of the ancient Olympic Games. Mainstream science tells us that the ancient Greeks were philosophers, not mechanical engineers. According to the textbooks, a machine like this shouldn't have been invented for another 1,500 years. So, who built it? And more importantly, what happened to this advanced knowledge? Some researchers believe the genius behind this device was Archimedes himself. But the terrifying truth is what the Antikythera Mechanism represents: lost human potential. If humanity had this level of technology over 2,000 years ago, where would we be today if it hadn't been lost? When the Roman Empire fell and the great library of Alexandria burned, humanity plunged into the Dark Ages. We forgot how capable we truly were. The Antikythera Mechanism isn't just an old clock. It's proof that ancient civilizations possessed wisdom and power that has been systematically erased, forgotten, or hidden away from us. The history we are taught is a fractured mirror. There is a deep well of ancient knowledge, secret wisdom, and forbidden texts that the elites of the world still use to this day to shape reality and maintain power. You don't have to stay in the dark. If you want to uncover the ancient wisdom that was hidden from the masses and learn how to apply it to unlock your own potential today, access the Secret Archive. I've left a highly restricted link in the description below and in the pinned comment. Step out of the matrix and discover what they didn't want you to know. Subscribe to Unfiled History and never stop questioning. Subscribe to Unfiled History and never stop questioning.